Oh, this is the Total Parts Pro today with a 2011 Kia Sorento, stock number 6776. It's ran from the 10th 2009 to the 9th 2012. It has a D4 HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, topped by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a D4 HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 18-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand door mirror. Left rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight needs polish, right front 18-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, aftermarket touchscreen, sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front kiddie slot, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster.